Hello, my name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and today we're going to talk about the EF to R adapter tripod lens collar. It is made out of a strong, durable aluminum alloy. It does have an Argus Swiss mount on the bottom, but don't worry if you do not own an Argus Swiss tripod. It does have a 1/4-20 and 3/8 threaded hole in the bottom to mount any one of your quick release plates or mount it onto a stand. What this adapter is made for is to get your heavier lenses off the lens mount of your R. Now, if you own a trilogy lens, you won't have to worry about this and will not need this due to the fact those already have a collar already mounted to the lens. But what differs between those and this is this one will not rotate to landscape to portrait, due to the fact of this slot here on the side and the lens release switch. Now this item will run you about $50. Again, I bought it and it's actually going to be a vital item in my camera bag, but again, it might not be for everyone. Again, this is the EF to R adapter tripod collar. My name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.